In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a video content using Conversion.ai. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So if you don't know what is Conversion.ai, Conversion.ai is a very powerful AI copywriting tool which does a lot more than copywriting. There are different templates inside Conversion.ai, and I've done a lot of videos on Conversion.ai. The link to those will be in the description down below. You can go ahead and check them out. And talking about this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can create video using Conversion.ai. So there are built-in templates inside Conversion.ai, and what we have to do, we need to go into video. So we have got all these templates, right from creating the video topic idea to the video script outline. You can also create the video titles, the script, hook, introduction, as well as the description, and everything. You can do it so easily. I'll be showing you step by step as to how you can do that. So let's say we want to find out some ideas for our video. So let's choose my favorite subject, making grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, and then we have to put in the keyword to rank for, so we can choose like keyword as make cheese sandwich. Do it like make cheese sandwich, and you can select the tone of the voice, otherwise you can just leave it as it is. And now let's generate some topic ideas. AI Jarvis to the thing, and I've got it. So let's have a look at this scampering about in a fast-paced kitchen, how to make a perfect grilled cheese sandwich, shopping for ingredients, cooking instructions with step-by-step instructions. Let's have a look at the second one, how to create a proper cheese sandwich with 2 pieces of frozen butter. First, how to make grilled cheese sandwich with moisture bread. How to make grilled cheese sandwich, different breads you can use, recipe. I think I like the first one, so let's go with this. This is going to be our idea, so we just note it down in Google Doc. All right, let's move on to the next template. So we have got the idea, so we need the title as well. So let's the title, so what the video is all about. So just this keyword to rank for, make cheese sandwich. Right, let's create a content. Okay, so we have got these different titles which we can use. And I like this one, how to make the perfect grilled sandwich. So copy this. So this is going to be the title of our video. That also includes the keyword make cheese sandwich. All right, let's move on. Next, go into video, and then we need the script outline. So we got the title of the video, so this, paste it over here. Tone of the voice, let's leave it as it is. Generate AI content, and you will see the magic shortly. Okay, so we have got these. So these are going to be our outlines. So these are the points which we are going to cover in our video outline. So we're gonna just expand these, and they are going to be the talking points of the video. And now let's go back and create the video script, the hook, and the introduction. So let's title again, copy this, AI content, All right, So we have got the hook and the introduction. You want to know the secret ingredient that will make your grilled cheese sandwich taste like it came from a fancy restaurant? Then watch this video. Be our hook and the video introduction. Okay, and then we can create the description as well. This is the description which goes in the YouTube video description, and we just put in title and create AI content. Hey, all right, good. So we have got the description as well. Guys, as you can see, so we have created the complete thing about grilled cheese sandwich. So now all you have to do is have to record the video, and I'll also do another video on my channel where I'll show you how you can take this input and create a video without showing your face. So stay tuned to that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope you got some value out of this video. And I'll also put a link to the 5-day free trial of Conversion.ai in the description down below. You can check it out, play around with it, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.